Recently, we posted a 3-part series on using Descript for video editing. If you haven't already seen it, I definitely recommend checking it out. It covers easy video editing directly from text and creating short-form clips effortlessly. However, today I'm excited to introduce another fantastic tool that my team and I use regularly. It's called Munch. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. I'm Kristina Stubblefield and I help you unleash your business's potential, boost your visibility, and maximize your time. Munch is a simple yet powerful tool that uses AI to turn your long-form videos into short, catchy clips for social media. After you upload an edited video into their system, it will find the most relevant and interesting parts of your video, then automatically create engaging clips, resize for social media, and even add on-screen captions. Plus, write the corresponding post copy that goes with your new clip. This makes creating short-form clips to use as Instagram and Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts, or even videos to add to your website or email a breeze. What if I told you that you could make 10 to 15 different short video clips from your latest long video automatically? Sounds nice, right? Maybe a tool like that would help you actually create content. Maybe a tool like that would help you show up online and connect with your audience. Plus, if you want to know more about showing up online and connecting with your audience, the doors are opening again soon for our visibility program that walks you through step-by-step how to set the foundation for your business's online presence and why it's important for your business growth. So make sure to check the description below for more details. If you're excited to see what this tool can do, please give this video a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe so we can continue to create content like this for you. Let's get into it. I'm going to share my screen and show you just how easy it is to use Munch to create video clips automatically. And if you love it, feel free to use my affiliate link below to try it for yourself today. I promise it's an amazing time-saving tool. So I'm on the dashboard for Munch and I want to show you what it all looks like. So here's what happens. These are my projects that I've previously done. So if I go to this plus button right here, it's going to ask me about adding a project. And I want to pick 2 platforms that I'm going to use the clips for, that I want it optimized for. And I'm going to pick TikTok and I'm going to pick YouTube Shorts. And the reason, because I've already done this previously for Instagram. So let's hit next. Then it's going to say, do you want to use a YouTube video that's already on YouTube and it must be a public video? Or do you want to upload your own video? So I'm going to drag a video in here and show you what that looks like. It's going to upload. And just like that, the upload is now complete 100%. We're going to click next. Then it says pick your favorite subtitles. So you have some options here. This yellow one here. Now, so I'm going to hit next and it says fine tune. What do we want to name this? So I'm going to name this my podcast episode and then I'm going to say TT and YTS, YouTube Shorts. Describe your source. For this one, I'm going to pick lecture. And then your next is optimal clip lengths. You trust Munch or you can set your own clips. I'm going to say I trust Munch. And what would you like to add on top? These are the things that I've already selected that I want to include. And then I click Munch it. Now it's going to start processing, and depending on the length of your video is how long it can take to actually process this, and it will give you an estimated time remaining. One of the best parts is while it's processing, we can go ahead and move on. So I'm going to pull up the same video. This is what it looks like when something gets munched. So let's go down through here. At the top, you see keywords search volume. This reports the count of searches on targeted platforms, Google, and other sources. This shows in the past month. So here's your keywords, your search volume, and the competition score. Also over here, top trending keywords. If we come on down, it did 12 overall clips and they're sorted by Munch score. You can always click and change that if you want. So I'm going to come down here and show you. Here's one of the clips. It has a high search, meaning it contains highly searched content. It also has a coherence score that is medium, and that means this indicates how well the clip's content can be comprehended without viewing the original video. Now, if we want to use this clip right here, we can click here to export it. And you can scroll down to see the other clips. I'm here on the Munch dashboard, and I want to show you some of the cool features that Munch offers. So I'm going to click to go into a video. And here you see this is where it has produced the Munch clips from the original full video. And I can keep scrolling down. I'm going to come up here and I'm going to click on one of these videos. So let's click on this first one here.
Welcome back.
And I'm going to hit pause.
To my
What I want to show you is, first of all, over here on the right, you see that it's a magic post. It has written a caption, and this is for Instagram. Now, that's because that is the platform that I picked when I selected for it to munch this video. You see, it also drops down and will give you one for X, also known as Twitter. If I keep on going, you will see subtitle templates, and you can change your subtitle template if you would like to do so. You can create this before you ever get started, or you can choose from the featured ones that they have for you. You can keep on going and see that analytics are coming soon. Now, I want to hop over here, and right below the video, you see the pencil right here. We can click on this and we can actually go in and edit this clip. So if it's not exactly what you want, you can make changes from right inside the platform. You will also see options up here in the top under subtitle. You will see styles, templates, auto highlights, and then you will see the option to crop, which is on auto. And right now the safe zones are hidden, but if I click on it, I can go in and say, okay, well, show it to me for Instagram. And this shows you right here, if you're worried about staying in a safe area that won't be cut off on Instagram, you can see exactly what you need to right inside this program. I'm going to go in and turn those back off. And down here on the bar, again, you can just go in and crop, and you can make changes to the video itself by adjusting the clip length. If I want to make this link longer, I can pull it out and make it a longer clip. I can also come in and start it at a different point if I want to do that. You have a lot of options right here inside the platform itself. Up here on the top, you can see that I can export this out if I want to do so. I can export it to Instagram, or I can download it to my computer. I can also star it where it will become one of my favorites, so to speak, inside the window. Now, if I click up here, and I can now go back, and it will put me back in the original file that I was in. You have a lot of different functionality inside of Munch without having to download and go out to a separate program. As I close this out, one of the other things I'll share with you is not only do I like the feature that you can quickly watch this video and star it as a favorite, but if I want to quickly export out this video, I don't want to make any changes, I just want to get it exported out, I can click here and you see that I can immediately download this video. And I think that's one of the nice things about Munch is you don't have to jump through a bunch of hoops or do a bunch of clicks to get the video exported out if that's what you want to do without making a lot of changes. So I love this software, and I can't wait to see where it evolves and the features that keep getting added.